What's up, world? My name is Chris Sparks, and I'm the head of entrepreneurial development at the Brightlands Smart Services Campus. In the future, the campus is going to be opening its doors more and more for everyone from Limburg and beyond to get more value from what we do here in Haarlem. Starting in 2020, we are beginning the BSSC Open Incubator. Each quarter, we will be providing a stage for experts on interesting topics to come to the campus and deliver workshops for anyone. The only requirement is that those in attendance are curious on the topic and ready to interact and learn. We feel strongly that by blowing open our knowledge and the knowledge of our network, that the campus will more directly provide value to everyone from students to CEOs, and from police officers to hairstylists, and everyone else in between. It is our goal, with the Open Incubator, to create a place for business people to solve their challenges and meet each other to collaborate and work together in a more open, innovative space, with the lowest barrier to entry possible. So get ready to learn, meet, eat, and gain value from all of the expertise that we have built here on the Smart Services Campus. Looking forward to seeing you there.